Student, good morning to everyone. Class 9th Maths Chapter 6 Lines and Angles. Okay student, today our topic is Axiom 6.3. So this is the statement. Now I am reading it, then I will explain. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of corresponding angles is equal. So how you have to say that? This is the axioms. Axiom means fact and true according to Euclid's. Okay. Now, so according to this statement, now let us see the figure. Here, AB and CD are two parallel lines. These are two parallel lines, and L is the transversal line. L is intersected the two parallel lines at point this and at point this. So according to this statement, how you have to say that corresponding angles are equal? If AB and CD, AB parallel to CD and L is a transversal here. Okay, I already told you. Now then we can write angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Okay, so this is the corresponding angles, and I already explained what is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are the same side of the transversal. Okay, and similarly angle 4 equal to angle 8 from this side, same side. Okay, and angle 2 is equal to angle 6. This is the corresponding angles, and angle 3 is equal to angle 7. So 3 and 7 are this side of the transversal. Now in this way you can try to understand. It is also called the corresponding angles axiom. Keep it in mind also. This is also called corresponding angles axiom, this statement. Now axiom number 6.4. If a transversals is two lines such that a pair of corresponding angles is equal, then two lines are parallel to each other, just opposite of this one. Okay, so in this figure, let us this figure. So if a transversal is two lines such that a pair's corresponding angles is equal. Okay, suppose corresponding angles are equal, on that time how you have to say that line AB and CD is parallel. So according to this statement, this is fact. In this figure, AB and CD are two lines. Okay, AB and CD are two lines intersected by a transversal L such that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is called corresponding angles. And if corresponding angles are equal, then we can say that AB parallel to CD according to this statement. Okay student. Now after this, theorem number 6.2. How we have to prove that? Theorem number 6.2. If a transversal intersected two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate interior angles are equal. I already told in online classes, but now how you have to prove that? Now, so solution given. Let us see the figure first of all. This is AB and CD are two parallel lines, and L is the transversal, and this transversal is intersected at point P and Q. So here given AB parallel to CD and line L is the transversal. We need to prove that angle 3 is equal to angle 5 according to this statement. Similarly, second condition, angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Now proof angle 1 equal to angle 3. Can you say how angle 1 is equal to angle 3? Obviously, maybe your answer, sir, this is the vertically opposite angle. So here I am writing here vertically opposite angle. This is the equation first. And angle 1 is equal to angle 5. How you have to say that? What is the region? Region is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. This is the equation second. From equation first and second. So from equation first and second, what is common here? 1 and 1 are common. It means 3 is equal to 5 because angle 1 and angle 1 is equal to same. That's why angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Now angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Angle 4. Where is angle 4? Angle 4 is equal to angle 2. This is also a vertically opposite angle. Region I have already written here. This is equation third. Angle 2 equal to angle 6. How? This is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. So from equation 3rd and 4th, also we get angle 4 equal to angle 6. Means angle 4 equal to angle 6. This is the alternate interior angle. Hence proved. I hope you have to understood my lectures. Thanks.